Jamshedpur is a small little town. Bistapur was the place where you get all magazines. Every month, my mom would bundle up my brother and we used to all go to Bistapur just to buy Stardust magazine. So when I joined Magna, I used to tell Mr. Hira, you spoilt my childhood completely. I was in Magna for 20 years. Deepika for Savvy, I had done her first interview. And that time she wasn't allowed to speak to the media. But I told her, look, this is my first cover for Stardust. And I really want you. Despite everything, Deepika spoke to me and she spoke to me for about 1.5 hours. Stardust जब बंद हो गई, मैंने सोचा ठीक है, let me try something. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं कि it will become this big. Somebody sent me an analytical where you have the Vogue magazine, She the People, and you have the Glitz also in the same category. I interviewed Salman Khan. I was actually very shocked because I asked for the cover and I got it very easily. Normally he refuses. See Salman, you see a swagger and the way he talks, and it's a little daunting. You know, sometimes he just stares at the interviewer if they say something. When I met him, I found him so humble. There's always a connection. If I don't like the person, I can't interview the person. There's somebody always looking out for me that whenever I'm in trouble. Trouble just comes close to me, but it doesn't touch me. If you enjoy your work, it becomes your passion. It will never feel like work if you're enjoying it.
नमस्ते, आप सबका स्वागत है चित की बात आरती नागपाल के साथ। हमारा बचपन कुछ अलग था। हम बचपन में पेपर पढ़ते थे, मैगजीन्स पढ़ते थे, कहानियाँ पढ़ते थे, टीवी पर छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स आते थे और हम चीज़ों के पीछे भागते थे। हमको एंटरटेनमेंट ढूंढना पड़ता था कि हम कैसे जाने किसी स्टार के बारे में। और स्टार डस्ट यूज टू बी लाइक दी मैगजीन, नारी हीरा सर की। और सब लोगों को मतलब अगर आप स्टारडस्ट में छपते हैं तो आप फिर स्टार बन गए। मेरे साथ है उस स्टारडस्ट मैगजीन की एडिटर शुमिता चक्रवर्ती। नाउ शी हैज हर own all-rounded online magazine which is complete lifestyle, traveling, food, entertainment, you name it, it is there. The Glitz.media. Let's talk to her and know her journey from Stardust, from her childhood to this independent CEO of the magazine. Welcome, Shumita.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lovely being here.
Same here. I'm so happy.
Same here. Same here.
We've been thinking and कब से हम plan
Exactly. And I've known you for years. And it's such a pleasure.
Thank you.
You know, one of the warmest human beings ever.
Oh,
You know, so it's always been a pleasure meeting you and talking to you. Yeah.
so sweet. Thank you, Shweta. See, how much we have met, like when I was doing the Savvy magazine, when Andrea was doing the cover story of mine
Right.
for Savvy magazine, 2018, I think so. And then we met for few events.
Events, etc.
Yeah.
Yes.
तो और जब नारी जी when he was alive and things and all these jazz used to happen and all,
Yeah.
every yearly,
Yeah.
weekly, monthly, we used to have some events and parties. तो see, even if I have known you, you have met me, पर हम दोनों एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं हैं. Maybe you know me because of my editorial cover story.
Right. Yes.
I don't know you.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. We've always spoken professionally.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Never in depth. ये पहली बार है, I think.
So, see, my intention to start this podcast is always bring real life hero
Okay.
over here on this hot seat,
Right.
right? And I see that hero in you.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Why? Because see, एक होता है कि you are working for somebody.
Right.
You are doing something for somebody, right? You are appointed as so and so. And here आप अपने बलबूते पर अपनी जिंदगी को शुरू करते हैं and you see, you make it happen and new world, new life, new venture and complete new platform.
Exactly. It's an absolute new ball game.
Yeah.
Seriously. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how do you feel, first of all, being in this space?
Actually, it's wonderful. It was something that I tried. मैंने सोचा ठीक है स्टारडस्ट जब बंद हो गई तो मैंने सोचा ठीक है लेट मी ट्राई समथिंग मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं कि इट विल बिकम दिस बिग I thought, ठीक है, the glitz media, and I tried everything. And like you said, real life heroes, that's what we spotlight.
Yeah, yeah.
Real life heroes.
Okay.
People who have achieved, people who have done. We have so many segments. We've got things like Super Mom.
Okay.
Then, we've got the glitz woman,
Okay. Okay.
earth warriors who are doing things for the environment.
Oh, nice.
So different aspects, of course, beauty, fashion, everything.
Oh, nice.
So it's been wonderful, and slowly, the team also has grown.
Yeah, yeah.
I started first, and then there was the co-founder Rajiv Bokashi.
Okay.
Okay, he's also from Magna.
Acha.
And then, slowly we got a few bachas, got some kids who were helping out and all that.
Okay.
And the Glitz Media today is like it's doing really well and it's on par with so many. Somebody sent me an analytical where you have the Vogue magazine, She the People, and you have the Glitz also in the same, category. They have put that,
Wow.
which is, and we have arrived just 2 years back.
Oh, that's wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations for that.
We are emerging, of course. Of course, that's like still a long way off.
Yeah,
but
obviously.
still, we're doing well.
Yeah, obviously.
That's big.
But that's so nice. Like somebody comparing you with Vogue is like,
Exactly. She the People, the Vogue, Vogue magazine, and there was Pop Exo, which is supposed to be for kids. I mean, this is one of those Gen Z magazines, digital magazines.
oh,
Which
I
started
don't know.
in 2015, is doing extremely well, it
Okay,
seems.
okay.
So we were compared to all these.
Wow.
So it was great. I mean, I was like shocked. I was like, my God, what's wrong?
Why? What's wrong?
No,
What's good?
Yeah, what's good? Exactly. See, where print is concerned now, we
Yeah.
were so happy with print.
Yeah, yeah.
It was like the feel,
yeah.
the feel of the magazine.
Yes.
Working under Mr. Hira.
Yes.
I was with Andrea. Andrea is a fabulous boss.
Definitely.
Wonderful
Definitely.
person.
Definitely.
All
She's
these-
my darling.
Yeah, she's a wonderful person. And getting out of that and starting on my own was a little tough because I felt, oh my God, this is a new world.
Yeah.
But then there I am,
Yeah.
still sitting in your hot seat.
I want to know, Shumita, where your life began, like in which part of India?
See, I was born in Jamshedpur.
Okay.
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 In fact, I must tell you about, about Mr. Hira.
Okay.
My mother, when we were kids, in fact, I used to tell my mom that, she spoiled my childhood. Because each time she would rush us. Jamshedpur is a small little town.
Yes.
So we were staying in a place called Telco Colony. And Bistapur was the place where you get all magazines and all that.
Okay.
Every month, my mom would bundle up my brother and me. My brother's older than me.
Okay.
And we used to all go to Bistapur just to buy Stardust magazine. So when I joined Magna, I used to tell Mr. Hira, you spoilt my childhood completely because my mom was insane, totally where Stardust was concerned.
Yeah.
But that's Stardust for you. People are like, people were like crazy fans.
That era was
Yeah.
like that. Stardust was.
Yeah. So from Jamshedpur, I studied in Bombay. I was in college in Sapphire College. I was an English literature student, MA in English literature.
Oh.
Joined Magna. I was in Magna for 20 years.
Wow, that's a long journey.
That's a long journey. And 20 wonderful years.
Yes.
Most journalists move from one place to the other.
Yeah.
I didn't. Because I was so happy.
Yeah.
Magna had a wonderful atmosphere.
Yes. Very family-like,
very
very warm.
family-like.
Very warm.
So it was like heartbreaking.
Mario and you
Mario,
and Andrea.
everybody.
Yes,
so
yes.
it was heartbreaking when it all stopped. But
Yeah.
then everything has to, it continues.
Evolve.
Yeah, exactly. With an end comes a beginning. And that's how the Glitz started, which is very good.
Yes.
Because now, it's my baby and it's doing well, so I'm happy.
That's such a great achievement.
Yeah.
Imagine a girl from a small town
Exactly.
coming and doing this as editor and now having her own magazine. That's a great
You know,
achievement.
when I came from Jamshedpur, my mom had put me in the hostel.
Okay.
1 week in the hostel, and I was ready to. Didn't like Mumbai at all. I said, "Okay, I'm returning home." You know,
Why?
I just didn't want. I just wanted to go back to Jamshedpur.
Because
Then
it's too chaotic over here.
I was too young,
Yeah.
and then my auntie told me, okay, you know what, you stay in the month,
Yeah.
then we'll see what happens. In month, now I'm here about 20, in fact, I'm staying here, I'm living in Mumbai. We sold off a Jamshedpur place and we're living here.
Oh, mom also full family.
Yeah, the entire, after my dad expired,
Okay,
we sold
okay.
off our place there and then we bought our place and everything. So we are like Mumbaikars now,
Okay.
full-fledged Mumbaikars, yeah.
What your father used to do? What he was
My
into?
dad was a sportsman, he was a boxer.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah. He was, in fact, he had gone to a lot of tournaments and all that. He was, he was chosen to go for the Olympics and stuff like that.
Wow. What was his name?
Sachindranath Chakrabarti.
Oh,
That was a
great.
long time ago, but he is the star of the family.
Oh, nice, nice. Imagine.
Yeah. Very humble, very sweet person.
Huh.
But you come to our house and you see there'll be a whole rack of,
Awards,
cups and
medals,
awards
yeah.
and prizes.
Wow. Wow. That's so
That's it.
great. That's so great. So definitely your mom must be like, she's coming in the family where person is so into sports
Ha,
and
ha.
winning and achieving. So mindsets are different.
Absolutely.
It's broad mindedness and it's like action
See,
oriented.
my dad was, he was in his own world, one of the kindest person around. But my mom was a strong person behind all of us. She was the one who was ambitious.
Yeah.
She didn't want us to be in Jamshedpur and all that. She wanted us to go, spread our wings, see the places. That was for my brother also, and that's for me too.
Okay.
So
And your brother is into the same line?
no, my brother's in HR.
Okay.
He was at some of the top places. He was the Hong Kong bank the VP, vice president,
Okay.
and Knoll, and different places.
Okay.
So
Okay.
he is now currently he runs a company of his own, HR company. Yeah.
Oh, great. Both the brother sister are rocking it. That's so awesome.
Touch wood.
Yeah, that's so awesome. So, around what age did you move to Mumbai? Like, what was your like?
Mumbai, I came very early. I must have been 18 after I finished my plus two.
Okay.
16, 17 maybe.
Okay.
After I finished my plus two, and I was like ready to run away within a week.
So, in that age only you found your job here?
What happened was because I wanted to study and I didn't want to take money from my parents, So I did, there was this person in the hostel only, she was like, this friend of mine is working in Free Press Journal.
Okay.
And, they just want some little interns and all that. I was like, yeah, take your pocket money and all that. But that's okay. That worked for me during college.
Okay.
So I actually started my journalism career way back.
Okay.
As an intern in Free Press. Then I worked, there was this magazine which was Body and Beauty Care. So I worked in that. That was Free Presses.
Okay.
So I worked there.
Okay.
And then, of course, Magna after that.
So directly after that you went to Magna.
I did a very short stint for, I went to Delhi.
Okay.
What happened was my brother got married and all that. And I hadn't seen my nephew. I wasn't very fond of kids or anything. I was still in college. I was like, take care, kids, okay. Then my brother's son was born, Nikki. Okay. And I went to Noida. That time they were in Delhi, Noida. And I went there and I saw him and I fell in love with him. I was like, oh my God, he's so gorgeous. So I stopped there for 1 month.
Okay.
So there I interned with Nalini Singh. Nalini Singh, the famous Nalini Singh of Arun Shourie, Nalini Singh. Nalini Singh, she used to do this program on Doordarshan and not Doordarshan, top.
आप कौन से साल की बात कर रहे हैं?
बहुत साल. This must be in what? 96, 97?
Okay. I was mother by then and I was so occupied with my little
Yeah. So Nalini Singh
world.
was a top. She was actually the person, she was an investigative journalist. She is. She
Okay.
still is there.
Yes,
And she was very good. She was one of the, you have all these journalists around, but she was one of the best.
okay, okay.
She still is. She does come in for a few things here and there. But I mean, I was an intern for hardly, what, 3 weeks.
Hmm.
Then I did.
Sorry, yeah, sorry.
Then I did something called Namaste India. I was an intern
That
there.
I've heard. That I've
Yeah,
heard.
that was a travel program.
Yes,
That
I
was good
love that.
fun. Delhi was good fun. Then I, of course, had to return to Mumbai. And then after that, I joined ZTV. I did this program for, it was on television, Jan Gan Man. Which
Yes,
was,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Ah,
And I actually did very well. I started as an intern. I became an assistant director within that span of what, 1 year.
okay.
And then I directed also one particular episode, which I am so proud of.
Oh, that's
So,
too
yeah,
quick
yeah,
things
I know,
happening.
no, but the people around there, they were very encouraging. There was my boss, Madhavi Mutatkar. She was very encouraging. So she gave us that liberty,
Okay.
to show our talent and stuff like that.
Oh,
And after that, total magna, it's total, like print. So actually, I worked in television, print, now digital.
that's awesome.
है ना?
And actually, I feel this generation of 70s, 80s, they have seen it all.
Exactly.
From no phone,
Yeah,
no
exactly.
calls,
Black and
to
white TV. Jamshedpur had black and white TV at that point.
yeah, and to this digital life
Yeah,
where
yeah,
holographic
yeah,
people are
yeah,
just standing in front of
yeah,
you
yeah.
and all the things are
And
happening.
I think we've evolved.
Yes,
We were like a sponge,
Yes.
taking in everything.
yes. Transitioning generation.
Yeah, transitioning. You're
So,
still there.
Shweta,
Huh.
did you get married?
No, I'm not married.
You
Yeah.
didn't?
No.
Wow. Being in this entertainment industry,
I know everybody asks me that, but I've been very happy. Honestly. Honestly, very, very
why
happy.
not? Why
Yeah.
not? Why
So
not?
I've been happy. It's like if I felt the need, I would have got married. I didn't feel the need. I was very happy being me. So and I like being free. So
Yeah.
that's
That's
Yeah.
another thing.
yeah.
There are too many pros and cons to be married and
Yeah.
then to be single, and firstly being single and then not thinking about marriage.
Yeah, exactly. Not missing at all. Also,
You're
yeah.
not missing out.
No, no.
Take it from me.
You're a rock star. Aarti. No, honestly,
Thank you. So, in your life, like somebody who is your companion or a partner who is just there, like, we need friends.
Yeah, I do have my set of friends. I have, I have my mom behind me, who's like a rock of Gibraltar, totally.
Completely.
I have people. Co-founder Rajiv Mukashi is there. We've been friends for 20 years.
Okay.
Okay. And a lot of things, so I have never, and I've always had support.
Yeah.
Like if by chance like my mom was sick 2 years back,
Okay.
but I had my people coming and helping me out,
Yeah. That's,
so
that's
which
sweet.
is like
That's-
totally great.
yeah, that's grace also.
Yeah.
Divine grace to
Yeah,
have that
so-
in your life.
So touch wood. So I do feel blessed because I feel like I have felt the love throughout. I've never missed any love as such.
That's
Even while working, Andy, Andrea,
yeah.
everybody, so it's there.
That's because you are lovely, so you reflect, na?
How
So you
cute.
attract.
Thank you so much.
It's vice versa.
Yeah.
So this is the first time I believe you are doing this interview in your life.
First time. That's what I was wondering. Suddenly out in the blue, I may just change and start asking you questions. I was worried about that. It's the first time on the other side. That way.
So how do you feel? First of all, tell me that.
You're making me feel very comfortable. So it's like, so I don't, it's like I'm chatting to an old friend, which is wonderful.
That's so nice.
yeah.
But that's how it should be. Don't
It
you
is,
feel
yeah.
so?
Yeah.
We in our life, what journey we go through, it should not be daunting. Somebody is asking you something and like you
Should
feel
be rehearsed. It
intimidated.
should
Yeah.
be from the heart. Really,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. But I was worried that I hope I don't start making faces or I look the other side. Which in real life you make all these faces and all that. But anyway, let's hope it all works out. Yeah.
You don't worry. You don't
Huh.
worry. I wanted to know, Shubhita, that you've been there in this line for 20 years.
Yeah.
You must have met all kind of people,
Yeah, absolutely.
right?
From the top celebrities to
All,
like the real
all
heroes.
yeah,
Yeah,
like yes.
real heroes, everybody.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, any peculiar or any particular incident which has stayed with your heart in your life, like, you feel like, I did this. We will pick one at a time. Like, first we'll speak about the film industry part.
Right. Yeah.
That something which is like stayed with you, or definitely when we talk to people, we learn a lot,
Exactly.
no matter
Exactly.
whichever field they are from.
Yeah, exactly.
So, like in film industry, something which has stayed with you while talking to those people.
See, for instance, I interviewed Salman Khan.
Yeah.
Okay, I was actually very shocked because I asked for a cover and I got it very easily.
Oh,
Normally he refuses,
okay.
But when I went to meet him, I met him at his place, in his garden actually.
Hmm.
And
In Bandra?
yeah, Bandra, his house.
Okay. Okay.
Galaxy,
Yes,
there.
yes.
So there I went, and when you see Salman, you see a swagger and the way he talks, and it's a little daunting. Sometimes he just stares at the interviewer if they say something. When I met him, I found him so humble.
Yeah.
He was so it was like I came for a filmy sort of interview.
Okay.
But with Salman, he spoke about his Panvel, his farmhouse, how they had found a python there, and he showed me a photograph of it. I was like, man. And then, there were different things, how they helped plant trees all around Bandra.
Oh, great.
So it was a beautiful interview because it wasn't filmy. It was, I saw the
Wholesome.
other side. Yeah, very. Other side of, Salman.
Yeah. And this is recent?
Oh no, a few years back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I was in Stardust
Yeah.
that time.
Yes.
With Deepika for Savvy, I had done her first interview.
Okay.
And that stayed behind. Deepika has always, first interview for Savvy. When I became the editor of Stardust, I told Deepika, that time she was doing something with she was doing Padmavat
Okay.
with Sanjay Leela Bansali.
Okay.
And that time they had not allowed any of the stars to talk to the press.
Okay.
So she wasn't allowed to speak to the media. But I told her, look, this is my first, this is going to be my first cover for, Stardust. And I really want you. And I didn't think it'll happen. So what I did, I spoke to Vidya Balan.
Okay.
And she was so sweet. She immediately gave me an interview. So I had that interview, but I had told Mr. Hira that I'm getting Deepika and all this. So he says, you get Deepika. Vidya is of course there, but get Deepika.
Okay.
So you would believe, despite everything, despite her manager also saying, okay, you have only 40 minutes or whatever. Deepika spoke to me, and she spoke to me for about 1.5 hours.
Wow.
And she spoke and she gave me the interview, despite the fact that,
She was not allowed.
She was not allowed. And it was a wonderful interview. She sent me her own photograph also. The image also was from her side.
Okay.
She tweeted the first cover, which is so encouraging for me as, as a new editor.
Yes. That's so nice. That's so sweet.
Vidya's always been there, because see, and I couldn't use Vidya's interview, almost immediately. So about 5-6 months later, I used Vidya's interview. And Vidya told me, like, what is this? Because, you take me for granted, she told me. But she was so sweet.
Yeah.
A lot of things, I've always found the stars very, very nice.
Yes.
The celebrity managers know, but the stars extremely nice.
Yes.
Raveena Tandon.
Uh-huh.
Raveena is like, Malaika. In fact, at that time I had lost my father,
Okay.
and she had lost her biological father.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And we, while talking, it was a savvy cover. While
Okay.
talking, we connected such a lot. In fact, recently I went as the Glitz editor, I met her, and she saw me one look, and this I've been meeting her. I did 2 or 3 covers for Savvy
Okay.
with her.
Okay.
And after that, I met her almost after, say, about 5 to 7 years.
Okay.
And she saw me, she made a beeline to me, and she's, my God, where are you? You've just disappeared. So I said, Malaika, can I have an interview for the Glitz?
Yeah.
She's like, have I ever told you no?
Oh.
So they've been always very nice.
Yeah.
So I've
Yeah.
always been lucky. I think I've
Yeah.
been blessed.
Yes.
Speaking to you. Even we've done a lovely interview with you in the
Yes.
Glitz.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. We did.
And we
did.
need to do another one. Yeah,
Yes.
soon enough. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. You were talking about Deepika. I have one nice, tiny, beautiful memory with her. When Shri ma'am has passed away,
Yeah.
and that time I had gone to cremation in Juhu, like that near that airport.
Right.
So Shahrukh, Sanjay Kapoor,
Huh.
and Deepika, 3 of them were standing there. And Sanjay is an old friend, okay? Because I did 24 and
Right.
Anil ji, and
Right.
Anil
Right.
ji's been there in the somehow I don't know why I'm connected to this Kapoor family.
Kapoor family. Yeah.
Okay. So I was just coming after paying like my last regards. I was just coming out and I saw Sanjay, Deepika, and Shahrukh standing there. Shahrukh, of course, I've worked with him and he's being like old, but he is on and off whenever met me, being very warm.
Right.
So I just went and hugged Sanjay because of the friendship. So Shahrukh, naturally being Shahrukh and
Yeah,
darling
yeah,
and co-actor,
Huh.
he hugged me and he spoke very well. Deepika, I've never met. I've never spoken to her. She looked both these guys hugging me and nicely warming, like having this warmth around me. She directly came and she hugged me. I was just looking at her. I said, "This is so cute. That's such a cute gesture for
Yeah,
a
she's-
person to do that."
She's very nice. She's like,
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
so humble and cute. Like you
Yeah.
don't know this person. You could have been like, just
Yeah.
smile and leave it there only.
No,
You don't
no,
have to be very
she's-
physical.
Deepika, my second story with Deepika on Savvy cover.
Yeah.
I asked her manager, I'm not going to name the manager.
Yeah, it's okay.
And she told me, no, Deepika doesn't have the time. By then, Deepika was like on top totally. So I WhatsApped Deepika, and Deepika said, yeah, we can meet at Yashraj. She said, yes, so what do I care,
Yeah.
So I went happily, took the interview.
Yeah.
The manager called me and blasted me. She said, what do we do? We are the managers. If you all don't go through us and you all go to the, celebrities straight, then, how will we work? I said, that you find out from your celebrity. Don't ask me, But Deepika's always, I think she's always stood by people who have stood by her, kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah.
So-
and she has that, I feel, see, we are praising one person who is not over here, but it is, मेरे हिसाब से, like, it is, the person, whenever you meet, आप किसी से मिलते हो कभी भी कहीं पर भी आप और मैं हमेशा समझो 4-5 times only we must have met, but the kind of a impression you leave
Exactly.
when you meet,
Exactly.
when you interact, that is the memory stays with you for lifetime. Even if I don't meet you another time, like this is the interview we are doing right now, we have connected, we are warm with each other. Next time we won't speak for around 4-5 years or 10
Yeah,
years,
yeah.
but this will stay with you. This
No,
will stay with
absolutely.
me.
And I believe that even after 10 years, if we meet, that spark will still be there. We'll be like, time will it'll look as if, that time wasn't there only.
Yes.
I mean, it just stood still. I'm
Yes.
sure, there are, with some people, you share that kind of
Yes,
comfort
yes,
level.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. And it's besides comfort level, it is like कि आप कैसे हैं हर पल.
Exactly.
How you are every second minute, every minute, every second. How do you behave? How do you conduct?
Exactly.
That's very important.
Exactly. Yeah.
So this is what has stayed with us. So we are talking about it.
Yeah, exactly. That's true. Yeah.
uh, going to another level of life, like you said, real life heroes. You
Yeah.
mean armed forces
No,
or
well, armed forces too.
okay,
Like we have different people. Like for instance, I wanted to get everybody, whoever has done. There's been any kind of achievement. Like
yeah,
we had this superwoman,
okay,
the
okay,
glitz superwoman, and
yes,
we had women, who have done so many things. From people who have been MDs, from mothers who have, decided to be entrepreneurs, to women who are from the armed forces,
yes, yes,
to
yes,
women who have, despite the fact they've had some disability, yet
yes,
they have achieved success.
yeah, yeah.
So we've had lots and lots of women and such beautiful stories.
Yeah, yeah. And
Such,
Savvy, yeah, Savvy's always brought very
yeah.
powerful stories out.
Yeah, yeah. That was savvy, but this is the glitz.
It's
In the
yeah,
glitz, we have that. Maybe the savvy thing is still in
still in
me. Yeah.
you. That's
So
what.
with that, we have that. We have, of course, like Earth Warriors.
Uh,
We had something to do with environment.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
anybody who's doing their best for the environment.
okay,
We've had this, the partner and the vice president of Deloitte.
okay,
Him. We had there is this man who's doing things for the environment. He was Mr. Angad Bedi from BCD Group, real estate,
okay.
using sustainable material, zero waste, that kind of thing. So all these things we spotlight.
Yeah.
Of course, I know I'm making the glitz sound very serious, but it's not.
No, no,
We
no.
have beauty. Like for instance, now we have today we put up the story of these people in Orissa.
Okay.
3 young kids,
Mm-hmm.
Gen Z, maybe your son's age.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
have got together and they have started a streetwear brand
Oh,
called Kun Squad
oh,
from Orissa. Imagine. And you won't believe the entire campaign they've shot. It has all that. They've got that in front of those, temples they've shot, and they've shot. The clothes are very hip.
okay.
It's very, very funky. It's got a global touch.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they've done it behind, things like there is that Oriya mask, all
Yeah.
those things, so
Yeah.
it's so cool.
Yeah, but see, I feel जो आज की जो जनरेशन है ना, जो यूथ है ना, इनकी जो क्रिएटिविटी है, it's like 10x.
Immense, absolutely
they
immense.
have-
yeah.
yeah.
And also, I feel, these kids there are so many of them, they've just decided, like, for instance, the guy who's doing our graphics, Zed.
Okay.
He, from the age of 23, he decided that he doesn't want to work under anybody. He wanted to start his own company.
Oh.
And he's doing so well.
Wow.
So, these kids are all like this,
Clear in
yeah,
their
very
head
clear
what they
in
want to
their
do.
heads. Which is great.
Great.
Yeah.
Genuinely great. You feel being like, right now you're sitting here, but the other side, when you were on my side and asking questions and traveling through their lives, um, did you, like how I am feeling right now when I'm doing चित की बात ना,
हाँ, हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा बहुत बार लगता है कि constantly in lives after lives, certain things na are very peculiar and same.
Yeah.
About there are different people.
Right.
There are multiple numbers of people, right? They have their father, their mother, and everything. But in that one particular part, will be like stably, like static. It must be like constantly you will see कि इनकी लाइफ में भी ऐसा है, इनकी लाइफ में भी ऐसा है, इनकी लाइफ में भी ऐसा है, इनकी लाइफ में भी ऐसा है. तो this is how we learn.
Right.
तो आपने अपने जीवन में whenever you have asked somebody, did you feel this kind of a moments, or
Yeah,
this is your
always.
observation?
Always, there's always a connection. You always feel, अरे हाँ, it's almost like what I've done.
Yeah.
ये हुआ है मेरे साथ,
Okay.
that kind of thing. You kind of feel with everybody.
Okay.
कुछ ना कुछ connection, there is a bond. There is, I don't know, if I don't like the person, I've always felt, if I don't like the person, I can't interview the person.
Oh.
So I always go with that, that feel. And I have never had a bad experience with anybody, I think. Except, of course, Tanushri Datta wanted, because there was some headline thing and she was chasing me around at an event because she said, "Why did you all put that headline?"
Okay, okay.
But she spoke really well, and she's also from Jamshedpur.
Yeah.
But I've never had anybody, or never disliked anybody. I've always had a good experience. Touch wood.
Okay. I wanted to highlight that did you find something constantly, consistently coming up in front of your eyes कि ये सब human life में ये particular चीज बहुत peculiar है और common है
Of course,
यहाँ पर
Hamesha.
something like if I can I want to know.
Hamesha, the thing. For instance, जब ये इंद्रानी मुखर्जी वाला story हुआ था, Sheetal, when that Indrani Mukherjee case.
Yes, I did one film also on that,
Okay,
based on that
okay.
storyline.
So I had interviewed that time Vidhi Mukherjee.
Okay.
That's the younger daughter
Okay.
of Peter Mukherjee and Indrani Mukherjee. And she was a small little girl. Yeah, I think she was 17 at that point. Her mom's in jail, accused of murdering her sister. Dad's also in jail. Dad is the second dad, actually. Real dad's also in jail. She must be, and she's running from one place to the other. And I did a Savvy story with her, Savvy cover.
Okay.
And I felt so sorry for her. I was like, my God,
So
poor
much
kid,
is going on.
What is, and as a journalist, and I'm asking her, how do you feel? That kind of question, which is like, how would she feel?
Yeah.
That. But what in common, I did feel that, that courage, that resilience is there. And I felt it amongst including you. That resilience, that courage is there, which is so inspiring.
Yeah.
Every time I interview somebody, I take something from that person.
Yeah.
I get that, that I feel, oh my God, she's so strong.
Yeah.
She's so,
Yeah. I can feel that. I can
Yeah.
feel that what you're saying, and I'm experiencing it.
Yeah, because you feel, she's so inspiring. Matlab, itna kya? You've gone through hell.
Yeah.
But, you have stood and you're still standing strong and
Yeah.
tall.
Yes.
So inspiring.
Yes. So there are these kind of, yeah, I was thinking that मैं हमेशा किसी से भी बात करती हूँ ना, I would not name people, but बहुत सारी women के साथ में whenever I have done the interviews, this particular things, mostly I have heard कि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे push किया कि
हाँ.
my mom wanted this.
Right. हाँ.
Like I heard this from you also.
Huh.
Few more podcasts I did with different kind of a people,
Right.
and they had the same dialogue. You
need behind every person, you need a strong mom. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that is so like prominently clear in front of my eyes. You see these personalities, they have made themselves, but they are standing there tall because of certain sacrifices and certain pushes
Of course.
of their mother or father.
You should know your mom was an actress.
Yes.
And
Yes.
you and Deepshika, both of y'all, she was extremely strong. That's why she's given birth to two very strong, women.
Yes. Totally.
Na, hai na?
Definitely. But she passed away when we were very young.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But I'm sure she must have,
She was.
because I've heard a lot of stories from you, from Deepshika.
Yes.
But
She was a powerhouse.
हाँ,
She used to work as a 24/7.
right,
Like
right.
that time ambassador का जमाना था.
Hey, हाँ.
तो this my mother, you will find her आज रात को यहाँ पर बैठी है,
हाँ.
घर पे है. Next morning she's in Ahmedabad. Next day she's in Gandhinagar.
देखो.
Next day she's there. I don't know how she's reaching, what she's doing, what all things she must be going through. Because recently I got a car and I was driving all the way from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. It took me so many hours
I
because of the
know.
bad road last
Yeah.
year.
हाँ.
This monsoon. So naturally, traveling on the road and driving in front of these trucks and all that, it's not easy. Lot of
No,
people,
it's difficult, yeah.
and plus you are working also in a day.
Exactly.
It's not like कि
Exactly.
आपके पास में फ्लाइट है
हाँ.
और आप फ्लाइट से लैंड हो गए, फिर 5-6 घंटा काम करके रात को फ्लाइट पकड़ के वापस से घर पर आ गए.
नहीं,
That is
बिल्कुल,
also
yeah,
tedious.
Yeah, absolutely. No, that's the thing. So I think all our moms, na,
Yeah,
A
definitely.
strong mom gives birth to a lot of
Strong
strong,
child,
strong
strong
children.
child.
Yeah.
Yes. You never felt like adopting a
No, no,
child or something?
I'm not into,
Yeah.
I love my nephews. My
Yeah.
nephews are, very cute. I have a dog at home.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Dog
like,
mother.
I'm a dog mom. Yeah. I
Yeah.
prefer being a dog mom.
Yeah. That
Yeah.
is also nice.
Yeah.
Any which ways
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
connected to Mother Nature,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
good
Yeah.
enough.
Absolutely.
That's good enough. So, your daily routine, Sumita, this is your work profile. Like you are into journalism, you're doing things. But besides journalism, when do you cut off and be
I travel a
okay?
lot. I
Okay.
travel a lot. It started from Savvy days only. I've
Okay.
traveled all across the world. I've traveled from Belgium. I just stopped 2 years back when my mom fell sick.
Okay. Okay.
But I have been traveling. I went to Belgium. I've been to Malaysia. I've been to Thailand. I've been to Alula recently, Saudi Arabia,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Dubai,
Okay.
Ireland thrice.
Mhm.
So I've traveled a lot and I enjoy traveling a lot. So
Okay.
that's something that, really inspires me.
That is your break time, or you
My
work there.
break time, I wouldn't call it break time. My work is my break time
Okay.
because I enjoy my work. If I need, if I'm really, really upset and I sit down to work,
Mm.
then I'm okay. I'm all right.
Great. That's a passion.
Yeah, that's my passion. That I don't feel it as work,
Okay.
which is
Okay.
like,
That's beautiful.
yeah, because it just occurred, suddenly it occurred to me. Actually, it's like that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's not work for me. It's something that I really enjoy.
Okay.
It's not anything. It's like, you're connecting with another human being. You're connecting with
Yeah.
stories of courage, resilience, all that,
Yeah.
so I think it's really,
Yes, it's beautiful.
yeah.
It's like we constantly, in a way, journalism was favorite topic of mine since childhood. Somehow, I did take science in
Okay.
my college, and I did go to Parla College, and I studied into different stream altogether. But somewhere this art and journalism and things
All
and
these things, yeah.
traveling and knowing people, knowing places, knowing their food,
Right.
what is the kind of a culture they have, what to do, how they manage when the natural something happens,
Yeah,
up and
all
down in
that.
life.
Yeah, of course.
So that has always attracted me. And when these kind of things are there, I used to watch this Lok Sangeet,
Uh-huh.
DD National pe aata tha,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
afternoon 3 o'clock. When I was
Right.
a kid,
Right.
you won't find any kid watching that. And I used to watch. एक तो मुझे मुझे वो जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा का बार बार वही आ रहा है बात.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, I know that.
दूरदर्शन का.
Of course, it was like iconic, that tune. That's like,
So that Doordarshan ka that thing, no? And then this afternoon they used to have Lok Sangeet. And
yeah.
then different cultures they'll show.
Right,
And
right.
different things and food and people and costumes and all those things. I used to be very attracted. I used to watch all Bangla film and
You have
Hindi, Marathi, all these language
all
films.
these things, yes.
So has ever your something like that kind of a pastime? See, you are physically traveling and doing it,
Yeah,
adventuring.
traveling, pastime wise, because I love watching thrillers.
Okay,
I enjoy watching thrillers.
okay,
I finish work and all that, and every evening I have to watch something on Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever. I'm a member. I've subscribed to everything.
okay.
For one, it's a review also, and secondly, these things I really enjoy. I enjoy documentaries also.
Okay, okay.
Like for instance, yesterday I was watching the Titan. Like that. The submarine that sank.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
that
yes,
one.
yes. I have also watched lots of
Yeah. So
documentaries.
all these things I enjoy a lot.
Ha, 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 ha.
So we have recently bought a little a bungalow in Khardi, which is near Kasara.
Okay,
Okay, so it's
okay,
got a garden and all that, and
okay,
this is a chemical-free zone.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
and we really love it. In fact, the Sunday, in fact, each time you used to ask me, I was like, no, I'm traveling, I'm going. It's beautiful. It's got a lovely garden,
Huh.
and we've got bananas, and we've got guavas, mangoes,
Natural.
roses. Everything is natural. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
So that is something that really inspires me. I have written books.
Yeah.
I've
Oh,
sat down and I've written. They're all on Amazon and all these
yeah.
places. Yeah,
Oh,
international
nice.
publications and all that. Yeah.
Please name some, please.
But there are so many I've done. Like my dog's name is Champ. I've done a
Okay.
kid's book called Champ's Adventure.
Okay.
Then I have done ghost stories, which have
Okay.
sold, strangely enough. I was
Why do you doubt
I was
yourself?
so shocked. I was like, see, I did it for time pass, but I put it in international thing.
Okay.
Because I was like, okay, I don't want 10 rupees, I want $10.
Okay.
And there were people who really enjoyed it and who actually bought the book. So I
Okay.
was like, okay, fine. These are all, e-books.
Okay,
These
yes,
are not
yes,
print
I know.
books,
Uh-huh,
So I was like, okay, if I'm doing it, and that place where Khardi, in my bungalow, you get a lot of sukoon.
Yeah.
So you can sit down and you just feel, there's a lovely balcony.
Yeah.
You just sit down.
Kasara Ghat, I think so. It must be showing that valley side.
Valley side नहीं है, लेकिन you can see there's a lot of greenery around. So
Okay.
you can just sit down, the air and everything. You just sit down and you can, just sit down. I just sat down and I wrote and wrote and wrote.
Yeah,
So
I
I'm
can
like,
understand. Being a writer, I can
Yeah.
literally
No,
understand.
I just enjoyed one book I've written. In fact, there are 45,000 words I've written. It's called the Mahabharat Conspiracy.
Oh,
I'm a big fan of Dan Brown. You know those Dan Brown books
Yes,
where
yes.
you have those where you have the past connected to the present kind
Yes,
of thing. So
yeah.
this book is like that. Except that I'm very ambitious about this book because I keep feeling, yeah, इस पे और कुछ डाल दूंगी and then I will get it printed.
okay.
ये वाला I will
So
do.
you are like, I can understand. Back and forth you're doing of Mahabharat then and now.
Yes,
What's
yes,
happening, the
yes,
character.
yes. So I'm
Okay.
connecting, and each time there's something I'm getting, So up till now, I haven't got it printed because I've still not. I want to add more to
Dots
it.
you
Yeah.
want to close.
Yeah, close
yeah.
the dots.
Okay,
And
okay.
then maybe I'll get it printed, and then we'll see what happens.
Okay. So have you read Mahabharat?
Yes, I have.
How many times you must have read?
See, what I do is I go back and forth because
Okay.
the book is there for one, and secondly, I enjoy reading it.
Okay.
So I want to connect it in such a way,
Uh-huh.
so that it makes sense.
Okay.
That's
okay.
why I guess. Yeah.
Okay. So it's there. The Mahabharat is there in your house.
Yeah.
But
I have everything. I've got the Mahabharata. I've got the Bible in the house.
Oh.
I'm a very avid reader.
Okay.
I have an entire place, where it's filled with books.
Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful.
Unfortunately, the past 5 years, I haven't bought a book. Otherwise, I used to buy books and there was no place for it. Even now, I have it's in little cartons, and I have a library
Yeah.
filled with books.
Naturally,
Yeah.
when you love to write and
Yeah,
read, so
so
naturally. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So where do you think you are going to take this the glitz.media, right?
Yeah, the glitz.media.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. The glitz.media is taking me somewhere. I don't know where. But the thing is, see, when I started out, I thought it'd be a nice, cute little magazine, where I'll do things which I feel um, I feel very strongly about.
Okay.
This magazine is not good. It's very, it is going to be ethical.
Okay.
It is going to be something that is honest and candid.
Okay.
So that's what I felt. Now, over the years, I feel, it's becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, and people are really liking it. People are insisting, there was this PR who told me the other day that she always, what they do, we get these new launches, where these brands send us
Yeah.
their new launches,
Okay.
and we do a review of it. We do a very authentic, ethical review of each product. So she told me, it's not, I always, your connection with me, your bond with me is great. But more than that, I'd like to tell you the reason why I appreciate the glitz is because the way you profile the brand. It is with a lot of, it is ethical and it is very authentic. So I thought that, summed up what I actually wanted to do with the glitz.
Overall,
Yeah,
with
overall with the
everything.
glitz media.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So it's going good. It's like, people are taking to it. We have more ambitious. In fact, somebody from America contacted us from Seattle, and she said she wanted to do something more.
Hmm.
So let's see. We are in talks. Let's see
Okay.
what happens with
Okay.
that also.
Okay. Okay. That's awesome. Smita, life, when you are living your life, you're leading your life alone. I feel some part of you is like, you know that you are divinely connected somewhere
Right.
and something is driving you
Ah.
because it's being alone itself is spiritual.
Right.
If
Right.
you go to see when you are in this material world, right? So when you have lot of connections and lot of people around, you are very engaged, you're
Right.
constantly doing something, so you don't realize
Uh-huh.
who you are, what you
Right.
are.
Yeah.
But when you are alone, you have lot of time to be with yourself, to
Exactly.
know yourself. So then the bandwidth of knowing increases,
Right. Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
So I want to know that are you doing some spiritual practices or somewhere that force which has created all of us, you can sense it. Some that kind of a experience do you have something?
See, what I feel now, I basically, as a person, if you see me or meet me somewhere, you'll find me, laughing, joking, enjoying, you know. Sound like a total extrovert,
Okay.
really.
Okay.
But I'm not.
Mm.
I'm not an introvert either.
Mm.
I'm just someone who enjoys my own company.
Yeah. Yeah.
I do feel a spiritual, an entire, I do feel there is something looking after me. Sometimes I feel it's my dad. Sometimes, there are different things. I feel, there's somebody always looking out for me that whenever I'm in trouble, trouble just comes close to me, but it doesn't touch me.
Okay.
There's someone that moves. There's a spiritual force that moves it out. So I
Okay.
believe in that.
Okay, okay, okay. So your mother, she used to like, she must be, you're Bengali, right?
Yeah.
So your mother must be praying or practicing some.
We practice, we pray, we do pray every
Yeah,
day.
yeah,
That's a
yeah.
fact. We do pray. We
Okay.
have this from 7:30 to 8:30. 8:30, no, we'll say half an hour.
Yeah.
Prayers
Okay.
mein jata hai.
Uh-huh.
It's simply it's just to feel that
Great
feel, yeah,
gratitude. Yeah.
gratitude.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just that.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Because we have got a lot of things from God.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even without asking. I
Yes.
have.
Yes. Yes.
So I am grateful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she stays with you?
Yeah, she's
Your
with me.
brother also?
No, my brother stays. In fact, he's just a couple of buildings away.
Okay. Okay.
So he
Okay.
stays, a few buildings away. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great, Sumita. I want to understand that being into so many worlds and seeing life from so many perspectives, like what we were talking right now, like coming from black and white era to this Gen Z online, everything is happening online. What is your take on this transition, and how do you want to make this new generation understand what we have gone through? Like, what would you say about it?
I really don't want the new gen. I want to, like bond with the new gen.
Okay.
It doesn't. I don't think the new gen currently they're interested in knowing,
Yeah.
what exactly is my transition.
Okay.
See, the thing is, I don't remember the girl from Jamshedpur,
Okay.
because I have moved with the times,
Okay.
I have moved. Of course, I do remember Jamshedpur very warmly,
Okay.
with a lot of love.
Mm.
But the thing is, I have moved with the times. I have evolved.
Mm.
Bonding with the Gen Z, the current thing, I'm learning to be, I'm learning to know things. I'm learning new things every day.
Okay.
Thanks to the glitz also, I'm learning everything every time there is something or the other.
Mhm.
So I mean, I guess I'm evolving.
Okay.
So that's my transition, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but I was just saying that since that time to this time, you've been in journalism.
Yeah,
So, what is
the
the
changes.
shift you have seen,
See,
and what you want to give to new people
see, the thing is,
from?
the shift. The shift. What we used to do. It was like we used to, like now. Look at us. We are having a nice, candid conversation. The new gen currently they don't have the time.
Yeah,
It's always quick, 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 quick.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the shift, what I've seen in journalism is from this lovely, authentic, touching a chord journalism, to be ethical also. It has shifted to something that is super fast. That doesn't connect though, you know. But my glitz is not like that. My glitz connects.
Yeah, yeah.
I have retained that old flavor. I have got it. It is that old flavor is there, but it is masked with the new.
Okay,
So that
okay,
transition, I have used the transition in the glitz.
okay,
You know.
okay. So that's what I wanted to
Yeah,
know
yeah,
that only because
yeah. No, I have not written. It's not. I'm not going to be. I'm not going to say that the old was great and all that stuff because then I will be totally left.
behind, yeah,
Much behind.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
In
yeah.
fact, it has evolved and it has become better.
Okay,
So my glitz retains the old, but is new too.
okay,
You know,
okay.
we touch a chord, but we also are new.
Oh,
We
yeah.
have we are like we're savvy.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
best
yeah,
word.
yeah,
Apt, one
yeah.
word. Beautiful. Sweta, it was just like, beautiful having these conversations with you. And I feel like I should go on talking, but um, I do not want to bore people like my prolonged questions and all that. मेरी एक इच्छा है कि आप जिस तरीके से अपने आप को मोल्ड लेते हो, अपने आप को ढाल लेते हो
हम्म,
सिचुएशन में,
हाँ.
किसी भी समय में, किसी के भी साथ, राइट? ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू हैव वर्कड विद सो मेनी पीपल, यू हैव डन
Right,
सो मच,
right, right,
बट एक एक चीज़ आपकी मैंने नोटिस की है कि आप किसी भी समय किसी के साथ में भी ढल जाते हो,
हाँ,
लाइक वाटर.
right,
सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आपको हर चीज़ अच्छी लगती है.
हाँ, हाँ,
You like everything and you are happy in every situation, in every which ways.
right, right.
So if somebody is there who is new, who is starting new in journalism,
Okay.
और किसी को शौक है आपकी तरह बनने का, and that person aspires that I want to do this, so what would you give that person now here on this platform?
Don't aspire to be me. Aspire to be you.
Yeah,
Be ethical, be honest to yourself, enjoy your work. You can, if you enjoy your work, it becomes your passion.
yeah,
It will never feel like work if you're enjoying it.
absolutely.
Like you asked me that you're working. What do you do for as something to be a
Break time.
break time? But that is my break time. My work is something that I really enjoy. I can sit down for hours. Get it done. Even in Savvy, when we used to do the Savvy covers, which is like, would be what, 1.5 hours, 2 hours at a time. I used to just sit down for hours just to transcribe that whole thing.
Okay.
And I would do it within a day.
Oh, great.
Just because, I was totally into it.
My God, that's too much of work.
No, but it was so interesting because when
Yeah.
you hear it, it was so interesting. I
Yeah.
used to just go on. Andrea used to keep telling, "Oh my God, she is my fast train." She used to tell me. So I don't know. I used to love, doing
Yeah.
that. Getting back to your question, I'm so sorry. I
Yeah.
just,
No,
detoured.
no, it's okay.
Be ethical, I think,
Yeah.
work hard, be honest.
Yeah.
That's what I'd say. Be yourself.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself. Yeah.
That's beautiful.
yeah.
That's a beautiful message. Before I close, I want to ask you, you have mentioned Andrea so many times from the beginning till
I
last
love
moment.
Andrea. Yeah.
I want you to speak something about her. Like you love her, that's there. But as a person who has been there in Nari Hiras, all the projects, all the time, if you want to, like, I want you to praise because I love her too.
I'll start with Mr. Hira.
Yeah.
Mr. Hira, working under him is like I said, it was like I've been blessed.
Yeah.
He is somebody, he is an icon.
Yes, totally, totally.
Even being in that same shadow, no, it is like I am so blessed to have worked under him.
Thorough gentleman.
Gentleman, thorough, everything. His love for gossip. Oh my God, even I love gossip. I love my gossip wala articles. It was such fun,
Yeah.
such fun. And talking to him, and we used to, during the COVID days,
Yeah.
that time, we used to work from home.
Yeah.
And Mr. Hira, at that, he just got used to his cell phone.
Huh.
So he used to call me up. And then he used to say, "What do you think? Is this person going to marry this person?" I'm like, "Mr. Hira, definitely. No, I don't think so." He was too cute. He is like, I'm blessed to have, even him in my life.
Yeah. Yeah.
Andrea.
Yeah.
Andy. She is someone, right from the beginning. She is the wind behind my wings.
Oh.
I have done more than 150 cover stories in Savvy.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
only because of Andy. She gave me total freedom.
Yeah.
Go ahead and do it.
Yes. That
And-
quality is there in her.
Yeah, she gave me that support. She gave me that, like, she never curbed me or anything of that sort. She was generous.
Yeah.
She was there, always supportive. She's always been supportive. When my mom was sick, she called me up and she said, "You want any money? I'm sending you money now." I'm like, "Auntie, no." She's like that. She will stand by you no matter what.
Yeah.
Likewise, the team in Savvy.
Yeah.
There was Vidodni, there was Bhavna, Riddhi, Aditi.
Mm-hmm.
I hope I haven't missed out. Ashok Chaudhary,
Okay.
Dilip, all these people, the best. The computer boys. Magna was the best.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Still it is.
Rajiv, my co-founder.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
He in Glitz, he is the quiet strength.
Okay.
His he's there, because sometimes I panic.
Hmm.
So, with him there,
Balancing.
yeah, total. So everything is, like wonderful. I'm just blessed to have all these people in my life.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So it's like आप जमशेदपुर से यहाँ पर आए, but you have taken that challenges to your stride and you have just surfed the life
Yeah, absolutely.
like
Each
with
day,
so much of fun.
yeah, each day as it is, everything.
Any high tide, any low tide, any high wave, low wave, you just like surfing.
Everything. But talking about high tide and all that, when there was that rain, entire rain we had, I think it was 26 July.
July, 26 July.
That time we were we were in Savvy, we were closing the issue.
Okay.
And there was Vinodni, me and another girl, and we walked all the way from Ghatkopar to, from where, and we were laughing and giggling, and Ashok Chaudhary was there, and he was continuously showing us one video of Madhupala and somebody, and it was buffering away. So it was like throughout about 45 minutes we had to bear that video. So it's been...
But in that rain, how come you were getting the network?
He must have downloaded it, but it was like it wasn't even coming. So in between something, he was pressing it, it was going on and on. It was like, till date we sit down and laugh about it.
Oh,
But it was such
God.
fun, such fun.
God.
Magna was such fun.
Yeah. Do you want to share any dip in your life?
Lows, yeah. When my dad expired, that was a low. That was something that, kind of... my mom was sick 2 years back. At that time, it was like, I thought I would lose her. Touch wood, I was like, I know, I was totally broken. But my dog, he used to, you won't believe, not 1 minute. And at that point, I was running around like a crazy person, going to the hospital, coming back. Not 1 minute he would leave my, my
Side, yeah,
presence,
side,
my
yeah,
side.
side, yeah,
He would stand, he would hold, he would put his paws around me. it was like almost,
They sense a lot.
yeah,
We also
you,
have puppy at home.
yeah,
We have
yeah,
adopt.
absolutely,
Yeah, yeah,
absolutely. So those were the lows, but we've come out of the lows.
yeah,
We've taken it one entire year. My mom was very. I had got a hospital bed. I had got a nurse, oxygen, all that I had got. Today she does. She's not taking a single medicine. She's
Wow.
just happily, she threw all the magazines, all the medicines,
Oh
all the
God.
medicine she threw. Yeah, I mean, just imagine. So
So wow, that is her stamina, I
yeah, and
feel.
luckily she threw because the doctors had diagnosed wrong.
Okay, okay.
So she threw all the medicines, and today nothing, and she's there.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah, yeah.
so yeah, the big. I don't know. I can't think of any lows very strangely enough because
That's
I
so
think,
good, but that's so good.
because maybe, I just think of the highs. Everything. I mean, life is, of course, there are several challenges,
Yeah,
but we're there. We're still there. We're coping with it.
yeah. So that's what I was talking about. Like when you have these challenges, it's because of your certain mindset you are able to face it, right? You're going to
Yeah,
deal with it.
yeah, yeah.
So what?
There are lots of, like, I don't know, like I said, like for instance, I had used up most of my money when my mom was not well.
Okay,
Okay. And that time only I was buying this house in Khardi in
okay,
Kasara.
okay.
So the day what happened that time I had, like it was crazy. It was like, it was almost like I said, no, when trouble comes, it doesn't touch me.
Hmm, hmm,
I was wondering now what do I do because I wouldn't have, and then I found out that there is another account in the post office or whatever we had just put. I'd forgotten about it.
Oh,
So little things like that. It was strange.
oh,
It was so strange because, and that was because I was wondering I had to pay a big check,
yeah.
but it happened. I didn't. There was not a problem at all. But I
Wow.
was stressed out like crazy. I was like wondering, kya karu, kya karu, kya karu. And it was very strange because I was checking, I said, okay, let me just check the locker and see if there is. And I found that. And I had forgotten about it totally.
Oh, that's so
Yeah,
crazy.
it's
And that's so
crazy. It's
nice.
crazy because it was something that is like, and that happened on that day, like the guy was going to, because I put the check in, what I thought, like I'll borrow from certain person, but it didn't come through.
Huh, huh.
So then I was wondering what to do now. Do we have to let go of the house? What do we do? Nothing. We found, it was there. So
That's so
everything worked out.
crazy. Divine functions in very
I'm telling you,
different
it's
way.
crazy. It's absolutely, it's unbelievable.
Absolutely.
It's unbelievable. Absolutely.
Somewhere don't you feel that कि हम जिंदगी में चलते हैं, हमको लगता है हम सब कुछ करते हैं, बट कोई है जो ये सब कुछ कर रहा है हमारे थ्रू.
Of course.
We are
Of
just a
course.
medium.
Of course.
Do you feel that?
देख लो हमारा हमारा ये दिस खरीदी वाला house only.
हाँ,
How did I get it? How did I get the money? There was no way I would have got it. And I was praying fervently. I was praying to my dad also. I was praying. My dad, when I was a kid, when up till the time he was there, my dad would never allow anything to touch me. Like anything, he would be there. And he used to not allow me to go to the kitchen also. He used to say, my daughter will get burnt. Like he was there. And
Yeah.
I always believed my dad can do anything.
Yeah, yeah.
I was praying like a crazy person. I didn't know what to do. And my poor mom was there. My mom also, she's a very strong person. Yeah.
Yeah.
But that time she was sick.
हाँ,
So I was like running around. I said, should we just let it go? I had paid the token amount and all that stuff. I said, I don't think I'll manage. But then somehow everything happened. So it is something. There is a spiritual force
Yes.
that guides all of us.
Yes. Yes.
Like हम लोग हैं. Like शायद this is all written.
Yeah.
Of
Do you believe that we are spiritual beings having human experience?
course, I believe that. Absolutely. And I get very fascinated with this stream of thought also.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
I believe that शायद कुछ है.
yeah.
शायद
हमारे भीतर.
हाँ शायद हम लोग we are seeing, it's like हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हैं, but life is, we are seeing every frame.
Yeah.
There is somebody who has already painted the picture.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes. Yes, very much, very much.
Yeah.
We are the products of that.
Yeah, absolutely. And
We are
all
the
good things will happen. There's never, I don't think, you know.
so beautiful, so beautiful. So much fun we are having talking.
I know. And I thought, I was wondering, like, yeah, what do I say? I said, okay, let me go. I did cancel a few times when you said, because
Yeah.
I said, what do I have to say?
Huh.
Like maybe I should, I wouldn't have anything to say, but then you've been so kind to me and so warm and so, like made me feel so comfortable.
So nice.
I
So
hope I haven't been making any faces or anything. That's the
no,
only thing.
don't worry about it. Shweta, any last few words which you want to say as a addressing your fans, your Glitz media audience, or somebody?
I don't know. I think you should always do what you believe in.
Yeah.
Believe in yourself. You have a lot of strength inside you. Things, problems will come. But you have that strength in you, to face these problems. There are challenges, but agar challenge, there are no challenges, and how will what will life be? It'll be without, it'll be like without namak. है ना? So challenges are fun, so ठीक है. There are things, this also, good times are there, bad times are there, but it will all pass.
Yes.
Just do your work, do it with honesty, be ethical. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you for coming.
It's
And
been an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope you are taking little, tiny things and advices and inspirations in your life and making your life beautiful. हमारा इंटेंशन यही होता है कि आपकी जिंदगी बेहतर बने. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shumita.
Thank you.
Thank you.